What is going on, guys? I hope you're having a fabulous day. Y'all know Big Jeff has been really helping out with a lot of products to review for y'all on the channel. Now, in the past, I have shopped with Big Jeff a ton because his prices have been great and he gets stuff shipped out really fast, which I really appreciate, especially in my line of work. Sometimes I need something and I need it quick. So he wanted me to let y'all know he is doing some tax season sales for y'all. First off, if you spend over $250, you're gonna get an automatic 5% off. If you spend over $500, you get a whole 10% off, and there's a few more steps after that. On top of that, y'all, he's got some big sales on Deathbox and Mart's Digital. I think some of that is up to 20% off as well. Now his tax time sale does end March 12th. So if you guys want to take advantage of this, definitely check out links in the description below. Head over there, grab some cool stuff at some awesome deals. And once again, I just want to say, I appreciate Big Jeff for supporting the channel, and I, of course, really appreciate each and every one of you. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you all so much.